Google Groups. Google Group is a communication tool which enables different participants to discuss on wide range of topics. So for example, you are teaching in a class 5th and where you are teaching section A, B, C and D. What happens many of the times we get as a teacher repeated queries from all the students and we end up giving lots of time in solving those repeated queries. What you can do using Google Groups, we can form a question answer forum to organize all the queries. So let's see how does it look like in the live demonstration. This is the live demo of Google Groups. So wherein we have all the conversation related to English class 7. So all the conversations are here, and let me open to this question on unit 1.1. So basically there is a queries from one of the participants. Can you please elaborate more on the where the mind is without fear? And this is the reply from a teacher, right? And he is referring to some URL which he or she can click. This is a video. Now for example, another student is coming and he has the same queries on where the mind is without fear. So what exactly he or she is going to do? They have to write the query over here, where the mind is without fear. Okay, I have written a wrong spelling. Yeah, so all the conversations where this part is there, where the mind is without fear, will be appearing on your screen, and in case he wants to go through it, he can click onto it and he can read all the queries which are there related to that topic. Otherwise, he can always go to labels on the left hand side, and for example, he has some doubt on unit 2. So he will click on unit 2 and he will see all the queries which are related to unit 2. And in case his queries are not over here, he can always raise a new one by using these new conversations. So this is the way as a teacher we can organize all the queries using Google Groups. Even we can prepare many discussion on contemporary topics using Google Groups.